Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials so the generative features can run. First, update Photoshop 2025 and Creative Cloud. Once done, install the latest GPU drivers so acceleration works. Next, sign into your Adobe account and enable cloud services and sync because AI assets and models stream from Adobe. Finally, open Photoshop preferences and make sure GPU acceleration and cloud content are turned on. This prepares your machine and account for the next, more specific configuration steps. You now enable the actual AI functionality inside Photoshop. Go to Preferences, then Technology Preview or Beta Features. Toggle on Generative Fill, Generative Expand, and any neural filters you need. Make sure you allow model downloads and set a reasonable local cache size so prompts run without repeated downloads. Once toggled, restart Photoshop to finalize the change. After restart, check the status bar or Help System info to confirm the generative models are downloaded and GPU acceleration is active for best performance. You finish by running a real task and knowing how to fix common problems. Select the area to modify, choose Generative Fill, and type a concise prompt explaining style, content, and constraints, then generate variants and paint masks to refine. Once happy, finalize with adjustment layers and export. If generation stalls or models fail, reset Photoshop preferences, update GPU drivers, and sign out and back into Creative Cloud to force re-download. That single troubleshooting tip solves most connection or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.